This video demonstrates how to replace the battery in your 2003-2006 Chevy Silverado's key fob, specifically the LHJ011 model. A dead key fob battery is a common issue, and replacing it yourself is a simple way to save time and money. You'll need a CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. The LHJ011 key fob communicates with your Silverado via radio frequency at 314 MHz. It controls door locks, panic alarms, and remote start on some models. The battery typically lasts 3 to 5 years under normal use. Replacing the battery maintains these functions. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Brands like Energizer or Duracell are recommended. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob without damaging it. A key fob case opener tool is optional but helpful. To open the key fob, first locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the seam. Carefully pry the two halves apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic housing. Work your way around the seam until the fob separates. Once the fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, positive side up, before removing it. Use your pry tool to gently pop the battery out of its holder. Avoid using metal objects that could short-circuit the battery or damage the contacts. Place the new CR2032 battery into the battery holder with the positive plus side facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Ensure the battery is seated correctly and makes good contact with the terminals. A loose battery can cause intermittent or complete failure of the key fob. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure the seam is fully closed and that the fob feels secure. Test all the buttons, lock, unlock, panic, remote start, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and contact points. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, there are several troubleshooting steps and alternatives to consider. First, check for corroded contacts on the battery terminals. Gently rub them with a pencil eraser to remove any corrosion that might prevent proper connection. If problems persist, consider using aftermarket key fob programmers or universal remotes. These devices can reprogram or replace your fob without visiting a dealership. Keep in mind that while newer vehicles use digital key systems via apps or NFC, battery replacement is still important for older models like your Silverado. If none of these solutions work, you can purchase a replacement key fob directly from Chevrolet for $20 to $50. This completes the key fob battery replacement guide. Remember to handle your fob carefully and consult a professional if needed.